Anyone interested in something very original about earthquakes and their causes from the person who reverse-engineered and then built the Egyptian Dendra light bulb. Trigger warning, some of you will not believe or like this because it is religious in places and reaches unorthodox conclusions. Some of you will disagree with the conclusions strongly. Please prepare for some intellectual discomfort if possible. Enjoy this reading with relaxing ambient background music in a safe, calm environment. Content may be disturbing to some. Sincerely, Pash Strawwood Woman for King Brit.